5 scary things your buddy fears. Oh, the horror. By nature, budgies are fearful creatures. They are small, fragile, and their evaluation in the world has taught them there are many threats and predators to be aware of. These survival in the wild instincts carry on even in caged pet birds who most likely have never known a wild moment in their lives. What may seem harmful and insignificant in our eyes could pose a huge threat or fear to your buddy who sees things from much different and much smaller perspective. Here you will learn about 10 things that can scare your buddy, as well as how to spot the signs your buddy is afraid of something and what you can do to help alleviate those fears. If you can anticipate the things that may cause them stress beforehand, you can aim yourself with ways to help minimize these fears, resulting in a much happier, easygoing buddy. I will put this at the end of the video so you can read more about it. Thank you for watching.